Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi PSD101B 18 volt 1/2 inch by 18 inch belt sander. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it and we're going to show some of the simple uses after we put it together. First thing we do is open the box. Right on top is our user's manual. Make sure that we read that and follow all the safety tips and everything in there before we actually use the tool. So we have those, and I've read through those. Pull out our tool. 3 belts, so we can load those up. So take a look at that. Go ahead and get a belt. First is take the black lever on the side here, and we'll bring that down so we can load the belt. The belt goes around, it goes in, spin it around, put it on, make sure we get it lined up. Take our lever on the side, bring that back up and lock that in place. Make sure our belt's nice and tight. And as always, make sure that we have our safety glasses on before we energize it, put the battery in. So we're going to check this out. Plug our battery in, pull the trigger. On the back, you've got a variable speed switch, so you can take that, speed it up or slow it down. I use it to sand on the edges of wood. Round off the edges on that. It's great after you've cut PVC pipe to get the pieces off. Also use it on plexiglass or glass to round the edges after you've cut it so you don't have the sharp edges. Also used it to take paint off metal objects. Ever cut a screw that's too long with the nut on the end, and you actually want to knock off the burrs on the top so you don't catch yourself on them? This is great for that also. Great tool. Also has a lock, so if you're doing a long job, you can take your finger off of the actual trigger. Okay, so this is a great little tool. I really like this. It gets into small spaces. The other thing that you can do once you have the belt on is this little knob right here will actually track the belt. So if your belt is not tracking right, not all the way on the pulley, move that back and forth and the belt will track back and forth. Love the variable speed, ease of use, and it's easy loading. It's nice and solid. And as always, remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.